Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to allow apps to use the microphone in Windows 10. Whether you need to enable microphone access for communication apps or voice-enabled features, these simple steps will guide you through the process. So let's dive in. Step 1. Press Start. Step 2. Click on Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, select Privacy. Great! Now that you're in the privacy settings, let's move on to the next step. Step 4. From the sidebar on the left, select Microphone. Excellent, you're almost there. Now on to the next step. Step 5. On the right pane, locate the Allow Access to the Microphone on this device section. Click the Change button and turn on the toggle that opens. Fantastic! You've successfully allowed access to the microphone on your Windows 10 device. Now, let's proceed to the final step. Step 6. In the Allow Apps to Access Your Microphone section, toggle on the button to let your installed apps use the microphone. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled microphone access for your desired apps in Windows 10. Enjoy seamless communication and take full advantage of voice-enabled features. That concludes today's tutorial on allowing apps to use the microphone in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.